everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my smart car. This is year model 2008 and I'm going to change engine oil and oil filter. And I'm going to show you today to change engine oil without even opening a drain plug. I'm going to use a pump and it's so easy and simple, you can do it without making any mess. What tool and what things we need I'm going to share with you, and then I'll list under the description in case if you need to change yours. And without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the extractor pump and I'm going to use that, and I'll share with you how it's easy and efficiently you can remove engine oil. And 0W40 oil filter, pH 6607. Funnel, we don't need a drain bucket, but I'm using a small bucket. Only reason I'm using it because the oil filter is down there. We will collect the oil. As for removing the filter, you can use multi-tools. There are so many tools available. You can use a socket or like a universal. If none of these work, pipe wrench or bigger plier, that always helps. First step will be we're going to open it. We're going to open the trunk. Once we open it, this one has a carpet. Once we pull the carpet, it's a good idea that if you have a front seat, they are pushed back, just push it in front. So it's always a good idea that push your seats in the front so that you can bend the carpet and keep the carpet away. And now this is the latch right here, which is a twist and screw. Once you do that, then this one lifts off. Then you pull this one out and you take it out. This is the dipstick. We're going to remove the dipstick. We're going to connect extractor pump. So we're going to insert the hose. It's always a good idea when you're changing it, make sure that the surrounding area you clean it. When you're going to open the dipstick, so the dirt don't go inside. The first thing, we're going to remove the dipstick and get a rag or something so that you don't spill oil, and put the dipstick away. So this is the hose. We're going to insert it in all the way, and it sits right at the bottom, and the other side we're going to connect to the pump. Once we inserted the tubing, then there is the other tubing which we need to insert it in. Once we insert it in, the other side we're going to put it inside. So we're going to plug it in to the pump. Once it's going to start the oil coming out, that's going to work like a siphon. So once we put the second hose, we connected with the pump. We're going to press it a couple times, and as you see, the oil start to come out. Do it like 7-8 times and let that oil keep draining. If you notice that the oil is keep coming. One thing I wanted to share with you, when you're pumping, make sure that your smart car is turned on for a couple of minutes. So it's hot, and when we're going to extract the oil, it will extract faster. If you notice that it's moving up slowly, so it's going to fill up. So as you see, it's keep draining, and once it's going to stop, then we're going to pump it a couple times. We can do it again. This is 1 liter, 2 liter, 2.5. It's almost drained out. So as you see, it's 2.5 liter is out, and now I'm going to remove the filter. Get a draining bucket underneath, and I already loosened oil filter. So I'm going to open it. So when you're going to open it, it's going to drain some oil like this. So let the oil drain. As you see, it's stopped dripping, and now I'm going to clean that area, and we're going to install the new filter. And just to make sure that you clean the area and it's nicely clean, now we're going to get the new filter. And it's a good idea that this is the seal, just lube it, just like this. Once it's lubed, then we're going to put it in and we're going to tighten. So give a good hand tight, like this. Once it's tightened, then get a filter wrench and give a quarter turn. And now we're going to go on fill up the oil. As you see, this much oil we have taken out. I put the new oil filter. Now I'm going to remove the pipe. Get a dirty rag, make sure that you don't spill any oil. So we're done with the pump. So we'll place the pump on the side. Remove the engine oil cap. Place the funnel. This is the where we extracted the oil, the dipstick. We place it back in. And now we put the funnel and we're going to put the oil in. So we'll take 3.7. .7 quart. So we're going to make sure that it's a 3.7. So we put it up here. So we'll add some more oil. And we're going to keep checking. It's a little more. So now we have a 3.7 quart. Jug is a 5 quart and we put 3.7 and 1.3 quart is left. Take the funnel out, replace the engine cap, test the oil level. Now we're going to start it, drive it a little bit, and then we're going to come back again and we're going to test the level again. As you've seen, we put the engine oil cap back. Now we're going to drive it and then we're going to check the oil level again. And that's how it's easy and simple to change oil and oil filter on your smart car. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.